been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. I am up. Don't mind my eye. I got some of my facial product in my eye this morning and it is burning and it's still red, and for some reason it's not going away. But I hope you guys are in good spirit and enjoying your morning so far. I've been up real early. I just finished uploading another vlog for you guys, so it will be releasing soon. Mr. Williams already got started on his morning routine, so he's actually taking down the wall, the stuff them off that he put up yesterday. Good morning, Karine. Oh Lord. So we go to my little business corner. Ow, 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 ow. And I will show you guys what he is doing. I just finished, got up, showered and everything else. So I don't know what the plan is for today. I wanted to go into town. I wanted to go into town to go get some stuff, but I don't know how that's going to work. So it is mucky down here. So let me see if I can get underneath here. Okay, they put the thing even lower. Ah! Good morning, sunshine. Oh my Lord. The nail. Oh, you have nail everywhere. So Mr. Williams over there, he's pulling off all of these today because it's done. So he's pulled off this side, and this was what they did yesterday. So you see it's dry. So that's what he's doing today. I'm not sure what else they are planning on doing, but I have some other stuff that I need to work on myself, so I gotta get those done. But oh, let me see if I whoa. And it is so mucky down here from the floors. Oh my goodness, look at the sunshine. Oh, where are you finding anything? Where's your gloves? Huh? Pardon? It's drying. So how come that one looks so different from this one? That one looks like really gray, like light gray. This one is like dark gray. Huh? Oh, is the color apply? Oh, okay. Oh. Well, oh, the sun is in my eye. Well, you learn something new every day. Sun's in my eye, but I don't mind. Oh, here's the cat. We have a cat stuck in our tree from I don't know how much days now. We've been trying to get it out. They were trying to get it out yesterday. Did he come down, babe? He's still up there? He's up there in that tree there. I don't know if you guys can see it. He's like at the top, like right up at the top. They were trying to get him out yesterday, but he kept going further up. So they can't get him down. And he's been up there for the last couple of days because the dogs chased him and he ran up there. And now we can't get him down. We don't have a big enough ladder to go up there. And when they tried to climb to get him down, he kept going further up. And we don't want him to jump because obviously if he jumps, the 9 lives that they say cats have, he won't have it. So we're hoping that he will come down in time. He must be hungry. We don't know whose cat he is. He's not ours because we don't have any cat because we have dogs. And what most dogs do best is chase cats. So we're hoping that he will come down, but my outfit of the day is just my lace white long dress. If you've seen my Fashion Nova haul, you would have seen this dress displayed in my haul. So that is what I am wearing today. Nothing fancy. And I don't even think I even put on no makeup since I've been out here. Like, not one bit. But I need to get that haul done. And I still haven't got it done. I said I was gonna do it today, but I'm still waving my mind on that because I'm trying to figure out what else we're doing today before I go ahead and do anything else. So this is how he takes off the wood off the ply of the stuff. Sorry if the lighting is a little bit blinding by the sun. So he is hard at work. Oh, that one's so hard to come off. How is that one so hard to come off? Whoa. Oh. So that's the whole reason when you guys seen in the previous vlogs why he was knocking these up is to put them up. So that's the way they do them. And put them up. And there you have a window seal. So see, the window is formed. So he has to take off this piece here. Oh. And then this piece, well, is the door, so this piece wasn't done. So he's gonna take off those sides. And then, so what happens when you finish all of this now? When you take off all of this, what's the next step? What's the next step when you take all of this off?
Put the decking up.
So you put the decking up. And for those that don't know what decking is, what is the decking? You're gonna explain what decking is to them? For those that don't know what decking is.
Decking?
Yes, remember, it's not all our subscribers that are in Jamaica.
There's a ceiling over your head.
So it would be the ceiling that they will be starting to do, and then once it's done, oh, look at the bird. They're going to cast it. So casting it is, I assume, is the same what they call, it's like this. So, but you guys will definitely be able to, I will take you through the journey and show you how this part is done. So you will definitely be able to see it, but let me step back a bit because sometimes these nails fly. And I ain't having all of that today. So that's what he's doing. So I see you take it off and you get like a nice, well, it's smooth finish. And then he's gonna have to chop it up back like this one here. So he's gonna have to do this because what is it called? Is it when you're rendering?
Rough cast.
So when he's rough casting, he needs it like rough so he can put the stuff on the wall without it falling off. So that is pretty much what he's doing. But I'm going to go get some work done, and he's supposed to probably use the GoPro. So when he uses the GoPro, I can probably he'll get you guys some other footage. I'm going to go to my little office over there and get my work done. So yeah, my little office is outside. The only time I can't have it outside is if it's raining, but so far so good. We've only had like maybe 2 or 3 days of rain, off and on, so it hasn't been bad. So, and I am grateful for that. And there's no breadfruit on our breadfruit tree, but I don't think it's not breadfruit season. Is it breadfruit season? No.
Yeah, I'm fine. Well, I'm really.
Okay. So I'm gonna go do that, and yeah, I will touch base with you guys later. Alright, so we have Puss on the side. Let me go show you guys what he's doing. I'm gonna take a 5-minute break from what I'm doing to show you what he's doing. So he's over here. I'm coming to see you, Puss, my bestest of friend. Hmm?
You see yourself on TV.
You see yourself on TV?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Oh gosh. So no good thing that. Eh? Me,
Yeah, we don't agree.
I don't agree. Yeah, me do this. See, this is the part of the reason why I do vlogging, because it have memories. Look at something that the other day. What I call him? I don't remember his name. The two that passed away. You noticed that they were in the last vlog when I was here? All right. So when people always ask about them, or they say, oh, who's that person? They're like, it's those two people, you know? That's why I like vlogging, because even the last memories that we have with Miss Cherry when she was home before she passed away was when we went on a little beach vacation. So, so basically I came up here because I wanted to know, what is this that you're doing? So for the people them that don't know what it's called.
So it's stir up, tie up the steel column, belting. No?
Okay. Oh, and everybody that's on here also, yesterday was birthday. So wish him a happy belated birthday, guys. And if you can, ladies, guess how old he is. I tell you, say, island life is the best life. You guys will never guess his age. So anybody can guess his age? Me don't know. Maybe I'll send off some credit if you're in Jamaica. If you can guess his age and you're in Jamaica, I will send some credit. But for the people overseas, me don't know. You're gonna have to, maybe I'll have to think about that and see what I can give. So anybody can guess his age, definitely put it in the comments below and let me know. Yes, and see, he's my birthday month twin, because he's born in January like myself. So yes, so and this is what he's making. So when he finish, they look like this. So I don't even know if you guys can see. All right, there you go. So this is what they look like, and he's tying them up. These are some of the stuff that he's done already there. And the ones that you guys had seen before was the ones that Mario and Janai and Rallen was carrying yesterday in yesterday's vlog, before they ended up doing that. So that is what he's over here doing, ladies. So guess his age, and if you guess it right, not for those that know him and watch my vlog, I'm talking about people that don't know him. If you could tell me his age, that will be great. All right, Puss, we'll see you later. Oh, look, a little dog. My dog's taking shade. Look, he's underneath the car. He's on. Oh, it comes out. So, well, the guys them pretty much took off all the wooden stuff, and then they're having a quick break. My eye's still hurting me. Oh gosh. And I was flushing it with some cold water, but it's like the stinging sensation still there, and then I was rubbing it, so now it's a little bit poofy. So see, like all the stuff has come off now. So the steel that he's tying up, they're getting ready to put them on top, and they're gonna get ready to deck them. So, but I'm gonna get back to work. So I am actually coming to end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam, where it is always a vibes over here. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the William fam to get notification as soon as we post. Yeah, so I am coming to close off the vlog. It's been a long day. As you guys can see, what's been happening with the house and stuff like that. So I actually have a message for those of you that have reached out. Thank you to those have been reaching out, words of encouragement and stuff like that, and just to see, you know, the house and where it's going. And I'm glad that you guys are all loving the Jamaican vlogs. Thank you. I know you guys will definitely appreciate that. we appreciate being home and being able to work on our dream home as well. But I also wanted to come by and say this is a message for, you know, some of you that have emailed me and messaged me privately. Don't give up. Whatever you are doing or trying to pursue in your life, don't give up. Just hold your head straight. I could tell you the amount of times that people have telling me to give up, and they're like, Shan, what are you doing? No, you can't do this. No, you can't do that. But if I was the type of person to sit down and listen to people when they're always telling me no, 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 I would not be where I want to be in life or achieve certain things I want to achieve in life. So that's why I am so big when it comes to prayer, and just pray and believe in yourself. When nobody else believes in you, believe in yourself. That should be enough for you to achieve what you want in life, and just keep pushing. Go after what you want in life, because at the end of the day, nobody's not gonna hand nothing to you. So just keep pushing and have faith. I know sometimes there comes a point where we're at a breaking point in our life and you just feel like giving up, but don't give up. Keep pushing. Maybe you need to take a break. Don't give up. Take a break if you need to, and continue to push. And when you come back strong. Clear your head, come back strong with an open mind and a clear vision and a better plan than what you had before, and push for what you want. And like I said, nothing beats trying, and you can achieve anything you pretty much put your mind to, but you have to put in the work as well to get to where you want in life. So that is my message, and for those of you that's reached out for me, I hope you guys watch this vlog till the end, because there is a hidden message in there for you guys as well. And well, for those, and this goes for anybody as well that's out there and going through stuff, and you know, you don't have nobody, you feel like you have nobody to talk to, you feel like the walls are closing in on you, you don't know what to do, because as we know, everybody's going through their own form of stress right now, especially with what's going on in the world. Like we say, we're going through a pandemic, but just keep pushing and hold on. You know, better must come. One day, you might not see the light yet, but the light will be there. As long as you continue push, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. So good night, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will catch you all in the next one. Stay blessed.
They are not our fears we see. No point we left now. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us and me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.